Hello my dear lovely friends, my name is Abhilash and welcome to my channel. I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro Japanese Yen and many more. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound US dollar GBP USD for 19th March 2021. So this analysis is for 19th March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow, sorry, not tomorrow, Monday again with analysis for Monday. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time, because I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. And hopefully you all are making good money, my dear friends, from my videos. I told you to short here yesterday, and right now hopefully you are in a good profit right now. Okay, and if you're looking for a fresh position, then let's see what you need to do then. Okay, so let me take out the pencil first. So after this fall we know it very well, market is in range right now, and you all know I love range bound market. Okay, so what you can always see that I have drawn two lines here. The 1.4004, this is the resistance for the market on the upside, and 1.3805, this is the support for the market. So just wait for the market to go up or go down, that's it. Okay, right now market is trading at 1.3937. This is the current market price. Okay, just wait for the market to go up. When market will go up and hit this level 1.4004 level, just observe how the price is doing. If you see that price is struggling near the line, okay, if you see the price is struggling near the line, then just wait for the confirmation of price rejection, like this or like this, or even a big red candle like this. Okay, or any candlestick pattern or any indicator of your own choice. Once you get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still dominating at this price level and sellers are not allowing the market to cross the resistance, then you can short the market here. Okay, you can short the market here once you get the confirmation in this line or below this line. But in case market crosses this level, okay, in case market crosses this level with good volume, okay, then wait for 2-3 hours. Okay, let the market trade above this level for 2-3 hours and just observe the price. If you see that after 2-3 hours, 4 hours, market is doing just fine, it is trading comfortably, okay, above this level, then you can go ahead and buy above the resistance 1.4004, because the resistance will become the support now. Okay, and on the other hand, if market comes down, then again you need to observe the price. If you see that price is okay, price is about to bounce back from here, twing, just wait for the confirmation. Okay, it can be a hammer kind of a pattern, a maru bozu, or a bullish engulfing pattern like this. Okay, once you get the confirmation, okay, you can buy above this line. In case market crosses this level, just check whether the price is being supported by volume or not. If you see that price is being supported by volume, you can short the market here. Okay, so as of now market is in range right now, so just enjoy the range bound market. Okay, whenever market will come to your position, your levels, then just observe the price and act accordingly. Okay, hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Have a good day and good luck, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.